G'day folks. I've been asked to explain another question from exercise 2G in the Cambridge Year 10 5.3 textbook. This is question 9 part B. So we're asked to simplify 2p squared to the power of 4 times 3p squared q to the power of negative 2. Okay, so just go one step at a time. We've learnt that a power on a bracket, on a set of brackets, is distributed to each of the products in that bracket. Okay, so we've got 2 to the power of 4, and then p squared to the power of 4. We've learnt that the rule is when we've got a power raised to a power that we multiply those powers. So that's going to be p to the power of 8. Same deal over here. So 3 has got a power of negative 2. P squared has got a power of negative 2. Again, we multiply the powers. So it's p to the negative 4. And then q gets a power of negative 2. Okay, so let's go through and we'll keep on working away. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. P to the power of 8. Now this 3 has got a negative power. Remember, negative powers tells us we're on the wrong side of the fraction line. Okay, so right now it's sitting above the fraction line, so it's got to go below the fraction line. When it goes below the fraction line, it'll be 3 to the power of 2. And 3 to the power of 2 is 9. So underneath our fraction line, we've got a 9. This p has got a negative power. Doesn't want to be there. It's got to go down underneath the fraction line as well. So it's going to be p to the power of 4. And the q's got a negative power. It doesn't want to be there. It's going to go below the fraction line. So it's going to be q to the power of 2. Okay, so let's keep on going and simplify this thing. What have we got? On top we've got a 16 over 9. There's nothing we can simplify in 16 over 9. They don't have any common factors. So we've got 16 over 9, that stays. On top we've got a p to the power of 8 divided by a p to the power of 4. So the rule is when we're dividing, we subtract powers. So p to the power of 8 divided by p to the power of 4 is p to the power of 8 minus 4. Let's just p to the 4. And then I don't have anything at all to divide the q squared, so it just stays as a q squared in our denominator. And that's it, that's the whole question done. Hope that helps. Let me know if there's any more I can do. Comment below, shoot me a question on Teams, or send me an email.